In the world of supplements, things can get a bit confusing. There aren't always clear rules, and it can be hard to know what's good for you. And yet, over the past 2 decades, a remarkable shift has occurred, and supplements, which are non-prescription compounds, have become a staple in health, wellness, and even medical communities. Gone are the days when supplement discussions were confined to niche health stores or specific athletic circles. Today, the concept of supplements has reached a broader audience, and there's an appetite to learn more. This change comes with its own set of challenges. With more people interested, there's more information out there, but not all of it is trustworthy. Some companies might say things that aren't true just to sell their products, and this can make it hard to figure out what's real and what's not when it comes to the health benefits for body and mind. Enter the realm of science-led supplements, a beacon of hope in this sea of uncertainty. Hi, I'm Dr. Tara Swart. As a neuroscientist and former medical doctor, I not only understand the intricacies of the brain and body, but also the significance of evidence-backed solutions. I'm not here to tell you there's one magic supplement for everyone. That's not how it works. Instead, I want to share my personal choices with you. I'm a brain expert, so when I pick supplements, I do it thoughtfully. But I don't do it alone. I'm part of a super talented team at Heights who bring their own skills to the table. We've got nutritionists who know a lot about food and how it affects our bodies. We've got scientists who dig deep into research to find out what really works. And we've got healthcare professionals who understand how our minds and bodies function and what's safe for us. We all work together to develop smarter supplements that are designed to keep you in balance. So let me walk you through supplements and my own supplementation routine, so you can make your own informed decisions when it comes to choosing supplements that help you achieve your goals. I want to start by saying that no supplement can replace fundamental lifestyle factors, such as staying active, connecting with others, and getting enough rest. So even though supplements can help us thrive, they need to complement rather than replace a healthy lifestyle. So lesson 1 is that any product claiming to be a complete replacement for a healthy lifestyle or suggest it's a magical solution should be approached with skepticism. Now, not everyone is convinced about the benefits of supplements. Some believe that a balanced diet is sufficient to provide all the necessary nutrients. For me, the reason I opt for choosing smarter supplements is quite simple. Our bodies need certain elements that they can't produce by themselves. The purpose of supplements is to fill in the gaps and ensure we don't miss out on vital nutrients, especially if our diets have limitations, like vitamin B12, which is difficult to get from a plant-based diet. So lesson number 2 is that supplements serve as a handy backup to address the nutritional gaps that can lead to issues such as brain fog or stress. And if you've accepted these symptoms as just a part of modern lifestyle, you might not be aware that you're lacking essential nutrients like vitamin D, which our studies have shown to be surprisingly low. As for my own supplement routine, it's a clear choice for me. I've established a habit of taking 2 capsules of Heights Vitals every day because it's a simple and effective way to have a significant influence on both my body and mind. Vitals features a special formula that our team spent 2 years perfecting. It combines 20 essential vitamins, minerals, beneficial fats, and antioxidants. Some of the hero ingredients include omega-3 EPA, which supports heart health, essential vitamin D, fortifies the nervous system, and key vitamins like thiamine, B1, and riboflavin, B2, for overall well-being. Additionally, selenium, zinc, vitamins B2, C, and E defend cells from oxidative stress, while omega-3 DHA enhances optimal brain function for both the body and mind combined. What's crucial is that these nutrients are included in their latest research-supported doses. This ensures that they can provide proven advantages in forms that our bodies can easily absorb. This approach is based on years of research and over 300 studies, making it a concentrated dose of scientific knowledge in a single capsule. Lesson number 3 is clear. Ensure that your chosen supplements contain top-quality nutrients at the right dosages. This guarantees you're getting the best possible proven benefits. Now, you might have some skeptics out there thinking, of course, you're just promoting your own product. And to some extent, they're right. Many supplement companies boast about their products. However, just like in rigorous scientific procedures, the true validation comes from independent verification and testing. This is why we took the step of conducting a 12-week human in vivo trial in collaboration with Citrus Labs, a third-party research lab. 32 healthy people took part in this trial to objectively measure the impact of our supplement. By conducting blood tests to measure cortisol and inflammation levels, analysing wearable data to assess sleep quality, and using validated questionnaires for self-reported outcomes, they collected extensive and reliable data. The evidence was indisputable. 75% of participants reported an enhanced sense of well-being. 55% showcased improved memory recall. 62% struggled less with focus. Average sleep improved by 15%. Nearly 60% saw an improvement in their productivity. Over 60% reported less brain fog. 50% had more energy. The overarching lesson here, lesson number 4, is to place your confidence in supplement companies committed to third-party studies that align their products with the forefront of scientific progress. This principle holds true for heights as well. With over 300+ ingredient studies and third-party formulation research, we stand supremely confident in the benefits our supplements deliver. I'm truly proud of the team of experts and brilliant minds that stand behind our supplements. As a medical professional, I'm accustomed to having my work and assumptions rigorously verified by independent sources. This commitment naturally found its way into our supplements development process. Our scientifically led supplements keep you in balance, using the power of nature and innovation of science to make smarter supplements for body and mind that are proven to work. To wrap things up, here are the main lessons we've covered. Be cautious of products promising magic solutions or replacing a healthy lifestyle. Supplements are like helpful backups to fill in diet and modern life gaps. Make sure your supplement has science-backed ingredients in the right amounts for real benefits. And trust supplement companies that do their own research, from choosing ingredients to testing formulations like Heights. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of supplements, I encourage you to visit the Heights website or leave a comment below this video.